What's up guys, today we're going to be installing the B9 transmission insert on our B9.5. This mount is good for all B9 Audis and is designed to be inserted into the factory transmission mount here to limit drivetrain movement and improve shifting feel. First, you want to go ahead and grab your M10 triple square to remove the two factory bolts here holding in the factory component. Once you have the factory mount out, you can go and grab some silicone and just spray in here to lube it up. This will make inserting the 034Motorsport insert much easier. Then you can go and grab your 034 insert and press it in nice and firm. You want to make sure it's fully seated in there. Next, you can go ahead and grab the included Allen head hardware and lock pipe and get it prepped to install into your transmission mount insert. Once the hardware is fully installed, you can go ahead and grab your torque wrench and set it to 30 Newton meters and get it torqued down. And there you go. We've installed the billet transmission mount insert on our B9 to enjoy some crispy shifts. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at techsupport@034motorsport.com. Now go out there and drive your car.